Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write 10 easy lines on rabbit in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, rabbits are furry animals. Second line is, they have long ears. Third line is, they have big and bright eyes. Fourth line is, they love to hop and jump around. Fifth line is, they love to eat carrots and other vegetables. Sixth line is, they have whiskers on their noses. Seventh line is, it helps them feel things. Eighth line is, they live in burrows underground. Ninth line is, they are very good at digging tunnels. Last line is, they are adorable animals.